Do your household sink lines and showers drain slowly? Do you have toilets that don't flush properly? Are you fearful that you will have a toilet backup and create a huge mess? Ease your worries with regular maintenance. Whether you have a septic system or a city sewer line, it's quick and easy with Roebic K-97 mainline cleaner. Your main line receives all of the waste that you flush down your toilets and other household drains. Over time, grease, oil, paper, and other organic materials in our waste stream tend to accumulate in this line. This accumulated buildup can cause problems such as slow drains, drain clogs, and those nasty toilet overflows. With just 1 cup of Roebic K-97 mainline cleaner flushed down your toilet, our powerful bacteria begin to eat away at those restrictive, built-up materials. Regular maintenance and use will leave your mainline open, unrestricted, and free-flowing. By applying Roebic K-97 mainline cleaner today, it will prevent costly repairs in the future. Use Roebic K-97 mainline cleaner and put your worries to rest. Visit our website to learn about our septic system maintenance program and our full line of products at Roebic.com. Made in the USA since 1959.